Hello, this is Yogesh from RisePOS by One Green Diary.
In the last video, we have learned how to accept an order from a retailer from your back office if you are a manufacturing unit, central kitchen, or a production unit. So today we will see if you have multiple retail outlets, cake story desserts, you would like to see the consolidated reports, the report which will have all the details about the items, the products that you are going to put into production to deliver for that order. So we will learn about this manufacturing consolidated report. Log into your back office, click on reports, go to inventory, select a report type as manufacturing consolidated report. You will be selecting for the production unit, and let's take a case of 14th of March for which we would like to get this manufacturing consolidated report. So we are at 14th of March. You have an option created date wise. So created date wise is the date on which the order has been placed. Based on that, the report would get generated. So I'll click on submit, and you would see orders from all across the retail outlets here. For the simplicity, you can export this report into an Excel file. This is how your report is going to look like when you are looking in an Excel sheet. This is your manufacturing consolidated